Hello students, a very warm day everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Chekpatnagaram, dealing with the subjects. So students, in the previous video we learnt about the lesson or the songs of songs. So in this video we are going to discuss about the grammar in the lesson the song of songs. Okay children? So I am going with the grammar topics and open page number 20 in your term 2 textbook. Yeah, here we have a Roman A, which is a question and answer which we have to discuss in the classrooms. We will discuss these questions in June session. Yeah, here we have Roman C. Roman C I am not going deep, ma'am, but because these are the sentences which are from lesson. Sentences from lesson. We have to write those sentences in a correct order. It's very simple. And next D Roman is question and answer. And next Roman E. Roman E is we have to choose the correct answer. Okay. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the ball when the beautiful music seemed to remain in the hall. Tansen was still singing. Rag Darbari was a difficult piece of music. The correct answer is when it will vibrate, because when the hall vibrated, the beautiful music seemed to remain in the hall. Okay, yes. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. Who said these words? Akbar said these words to Tansen. Yes, that means he is tired of listening to him every day. He is tired of listening to him every day. Okay, next. I shall go as a humble lover of music. It means he will go to listen to the music and not expect to be treated as a king. He go as a normal person, not as a king of Hindustan. I am explained very clearly on lesson mass, so I am moving very fastly. Okay. Guruji sings for the one who is the king of kings. Guruji sings for God. Who is the king of kings? God. Yes. Okay. Next Roman is we have to complete these phrases by the given pictures. Okay. As swift as a swift. That means moving quickly. River. Look at the picture, as swift as a river. Next, as soft as wool, as big as elephant, as strong as bull, to run like a deer, to grill like a cat, to strut like a peacock, and be blind like a bat. When you use smiles to speak and to write, that's it enough. And we have to choose the correct options. This is very much repeated Roman in every lesson. You have to fill this and match the following word clusters. And here is the topic we have to discuss. Grammar corner is simple future tense. Simple future tense in the sense the things which has to happen on future, not yet done. Going on now, it has to done on future. That means I'm going to watch movie on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to watch. That means future. So on January or on November, we are going to open our schools on soon. Okay, and I will explain this on tomorrow. I will. Here is a hint that the word will explains about future. Whenever you get the word will, obviously it is a future tense. Okay. Simple future means subject plus will plus verb plus object. Look at this. On Monday we will visit. Sita, are they go by bus? Future asking question means will. Just like this. Okay. And next, these are the forms we have to write while adding will. Add will. Will strike. Will rain. Will help. Will take. Will has. Will get. Like this. Okay. Can. Can means inability or inability. Happen or may not happen. May means politely, a request. Can also we discussed on the previous class, and this is our own way, and this is related to lesson, and this Roman related to lesson. Okay. Yes, here we have an important topic in our page number 50 is tenses. These tenses, while explaining all these tenses before, I have to done a Zoom session regarding these tenses. Without explaining tenses, you can't know anything, you can't able to write anything. So I will take a chance to explain all the tenses on Zoom session. Okay students? Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.